Now this home is one of those homes that immediately feels right. 2,300 square feet, private lift, high floor, fully furnished, breathtaking views, and more importantly, it's been designed very tastefully and not overdone or too over excessive. Now what you're about to see today is a 3+2 bedroom residence here at Pavilion Damansara Heights, Crown Residence. And what stood out to me is how practical the layout is, the clean finishes, a timeless design, and very easy to live with. For tenants who want something ready to move in, hassle-free, and properly planned, right? You do not want to miss this. Now without further ado, let's get up to the unit. Okay, so let's start from the most important part, the private lift foyer here. Because it comes with your shoe cabinets as well here. There's some shelvings here. And you have 2 private lifts that brings you up to your unit. And that will be your dry kitchen over there. And this is your dining area, where it's the heart of the home. Okay, where it sits at the center of the home. I mean, this is good planning because dining is also placed between the living space and the kitchen. So it naturally becomes a social core element of the home, which is perfect for hosting without exposing the bedrooms. And this is your living area here. Very tropical home kind of feeling with your rug, and you have some rattan furniture there as well. Not for heavy storage, but more as a decorative item, and some wooden furnitures there as well in wood or veneer finish, I guess. And some nice warm lamp, which will look very, very nice at night, keeping the place very warm. And you have surround sound and a large 80-inch TV already installed. And this Dyson air filters as well. One more thing to point out as well, these fans, right, are very expensive fans. These are big ass fans, okay, which is supposed to give you very, very good airflow. And this is your $1 million view, my dear friends. Wow, look at that. You have 4 iconic towers right in front of you: Merdeka 118, TRX, KL Tower, and the Twin Tower there as well. And before we head on to the kitchen, this is actually your bedroom number 1, which is over here. You have a queen size bed here, and this shares the same view as well as the one in the living area. And of course, you have your ensuite toilet here as well. One thing that I like is that this bedroom, besides being it's quite away from the main sleeping quarters over there and the kitchen area, so it's very suitable for guests or any of your relatives coming by to stay long term. It's also very comfortable. That gives them extra privacy. This is your dry kitchen, and this marble countertop here, right, this is not standard. It's not a developer's spec, so the owners have added this. So you can have like a breakfast corner over here, more intimate corner where you can with your close family in the morning, which is nice. One thing that is also added is the Ubik power track as well. All right, this is added. Very nice Kangen water filter. Of course, you have your developers spec, the hood and hob by Gaggenau. Microwave oven is here. Your concealed fridge is also here as well, by Bosch. The freezer is down here. Okay. It's a marble countertop here. Okay, so it comes with 2 TVs as well. One over here, so you can have your favorite movies and play sports channel while you're having dinner here. And this door over here leads to a refuse chamber outside, where your mates can actually just access this one and throw rubbish or whatever. So it doesn't need to go through the living area. And this will be your wet kitchen. Okay, you have a separate wet kitchen here along with the maid's room. Okay, over here, maid's room. Get some light. Okay. Now, separation keeps the cooking, right? The cooking smells and the noise and all the service functions completely away from the living areas. Something that a lot of high net worth families will always appreciate. And behind here is also your washer and dryer. Wow, check it out. This is the view that you get from behind. So sun sets here on the kitchen area, and the sunrise will actually set at the living area. So this is actually good. In the evening, that's where it cools really down. And this is a powder room over here where your guests can use. So this will maintain the privacy of your ensuite bathroom, so they don't need to use that. And this is your study room actually. And this study room is very nice to work, a calm place to work, because it's facing the hills of Bukit Kiara over there. And Damansara Heights, a lot of greenery. Okay. So you can use this as a home office, a reading room, or even a private TV lounge as well. It's quiet and close and not directly exposed to the guests outside there. So without further ado, let's check out the sleeping quarters, where the master bedroom and also the secondary bedroom is located. So the secondary bedroom here, you can see this is your bedroom number 2. You can see like a suite bathroom. So it's part of the private sleeping wing, which is separated from the living areas. Very good size. You have a single bed here included. And this also faces Damansara Heights with proper wardrobe cabinets over here as well. Okay. Here comes the ensuite bathroom. Let's head on to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is positioned at the furthest end of the unit, which is exactly where it should be. This gives maximum privacy, minimum disturbance, and a very restful feeling. And yes, every morning when you wake up, you get to enjoy the incredible views of KL city skyline. All the 4 iconic towers right in front of you. And it's already a king size bed and a single bed already provided. Okay. A vanity mirror, a dressing table, and some shelves also included as well. And this is your walk-in cabinet over here. But these are all developer spec as given. This would be, yeah, all right. There's also a bathtub inside there actually. There's a bathtub inside there, a shower screen, and a his and her sink over here. You have a large vanity mirror. Now this Crown Residence unit isn't about being flashy, it's about space that works, privacy that you can feel, and a layout that will stay comfortable long term. Clear separation between living areas, kitchen, guest room, and also the bedroom zones. Fully furnished right on the high floor, and more importantly, hassle-free, ready to move in. And around 11 ringgit per square feet is around 25,000 a month RM. It makes sense for tenants who value quality, convenience, and a no-nonsense moving experience in Pavilion Damansara Heights. If this fits what you're looking for, or if you're an owner and you want to list your properties with me, feel free to reach out to me for a private viewing. I'm Kelvin. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now.